Hey guys, today I'm showing you a pocket loupe. It's from a company called Levenhuk. They make optic systems such as for microscopes, binoculars and loupes. This is the Levenhuk Zeno Gem M9. It's a full metal pocket loupe with illumination. So let's see what's included in the package. The loupe itself, some paperwork. The loupe comes in this nice case. As you can see, it folds, so the optics are protected against scratches. It's a full metal body, 30x magnification, 21 millimeters focal length, I think. So the way you use it, you just rotate it and point it to the text or whatever you want magnified. If it's too dark, you can turn on the two LEDs. And not sure if the camera can capture this, but the LEDs do a great job on illuminating the viewing field. The battery compartment opens with this little tool. It has three batteries, three LR927 batteries, which you can easily replace. It also has a little loop. You can use a ring to connect to something. It's quite a bit heavy. The overall feel of it is like it's a quality object. The loop itself is made from glass, so that protects it quite a bit against scratches. But it also makes it a bit heavy, so keep that in mind if you want to carry it around you. They also have a plastic version of this, I think 40x magnification. It's the Zeno Gem M9. And it's a bit on the lighter side. I went with the glass optics, as I'm not very interested in portability and weight. I'm more interested in durability. So this is the Levenhuk Zeno Gem M9 micro magnifier. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them as best as I can.